Good morning everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just a very simple dessert. It's called Serradura or sawdust pudding. Serradura is a Portuguese word, and it was made in all our homes when we were young. It's very simple. We are just going to have around 12 to 15 Mari biscuits or any other digestive biscuits. We want about 250 ml of whipping cream and some condensed milk. So these are the three ingredients that we are going to use today. Just keep watching. So first of all, you need to powder these Mari biscuits. I've taken about 12 of them and I powdered them in the mixer grinder. But what you could do is you could also put it in a Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin to crush them. So this forms the base of the Serradura, and this is what we call as the sawdust. So that's why it's called as a sawdust pudding. So now what we'll do, we are going to beat this whipping cream a little, not too much. We're not going to make this very sweet. Okay, and we're going to add in some condensed milk, maybe around 4 to 5 teaspoons of condensed milk. You can use however much you want, because depending on how sweet you want your pudding to be. So this is around 4 or 5 teaspoons that I've used, and now I'll just beat this a little. You can use electric beater if you like. It depends on you if you want to make it more fluffy, but I'm quite happy with using this small beater. So this is just to incorporate the condensed milk and the cream together. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour this cream into a small jug so that it's easier to use. Okay, so let's begin. You could make in individual cups, or you could use a bowl and layer your pudding in that, whichever you like. If you make it in individual bowls, you could serve it individually, but I've decided to make it into a flat dish. So just keep watching. We'll start with the layering. So as I said, I'm going to use a flat dish, and this is what I'm going to use. So we begin by adding a layer of the cream and the condensed milk as the bottom layer of your dish. And to this, I'm going to add a layer of biscuit crumbs. So just flatten it a little. Be very gentle. Once again, we'll pour in. Very carefully spread it. Don't disturb the bottom layer. Can add some more if you like. So you could keep layering as many layers as you like. And once again, I'm going to top it with your sawdust. And you could just add whatever little cream is there on the top. And that's it. Your sawdust pudding is ready. You can see the layers. Now this you need to leave in the fridge for at least 2 hours for the biscuit crumbs to soak into the cream, or the cream to soak in the biscuit crumbs, and then you could serve it. So thank you for watching, and please do try this. It's very easy. You could make it in individual bowls, which would, you could serve it immediately and serve each one separately. Do keep watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So this is after it's been in the fridge for like 2 hours, and it's set, but you'll understand that it's called sawdust pudding only because it still has to be like sawdust on the top. Don't worry. And if you want, you could garnish it with anything, but actually this doesn't call for any garnish or topping or whatever. But I've just added a strawberry on the top for it to look nice. And there you go. Your Serradura or sawdust pudding is ready. Do enjoy it.